This is not a lens. This is a cup. People are amazing. Hello guys, today I'm gonna give you 10 tips to improve your editing workflow. Let's start with the bins. Instead of importing all the clips, the sounds and the music to your project, you should always separate them into bins. So you will have the clips bin, the music bin and the sounds bin, and sometimes I even add the random stuff bin. This will allow me to create an organized and accessible work. By the way, you can also do all of this in your PC and then you just need to grab them into your project. Here I am editing all the clips one by one, trying to achieve the same result. What if there's a way to edit all of them faster? Actually, there are two ways. So first thing, you go to Window, then you go to Lumetri Color, then you edit the clip a little bit. Okay, then you click on the right button, you go to Copy, you select the next clip, you click again in the right, and you click in Paste Attributes. In this case, you need to make sure that you only have selected the Lumetri color, and then you click OK, and yeah, it's done. The second way is faster and easier, and it's called Adjustment Layers. You go in here, you click in New Item, you click in Adjustment Layer, you click OK, then you drag it to the timeline. In this case, I just want to edit in the first two clips, and now you just need to edit the colors. A lot of times in the past I'll try to edit my text in this panel and it kinda sucks because you can do much with it. So I started to use the Essential Graphics. You just need to go to Window and click in Essential Graphics. Then you make sure you have your text layer selected, and then you can centralize the text, you can align it to the top, to the bottom, to the left and to the right. Also you can change the opacity. By the way guys, I almost forgot that you can also create credits in Premiere or in this panel. You just need to write them, then you click in this empty space and you click in Roll. Amazing, right? One way to turn your videos into more cinematic and Hollywood style is by using black bars. You can download them on the internet or you can create your own in just 1 minute. Go to New Item, you click in Adjustment Layer, you click OK, then you drag it to the timeline. I'm just gonna make sure that it covers all my video. Then I go to Effects, I type Crop, then I drag the crop to the Adjustment Layer. Then in the top I'm gonna put maybe 11, the bottom the same thing, and yeah, you have an amazing black bars. One amazing way to check if your colors are better than the before is by checking the before and the after. In Premiere you can do that, but by just one click. The first thing you need to do is go to this panel, you click on the plus button, then you go to the global mute, you just grab it to this panel, you click OK, and now if you click you can see the before, if you click again you can see the after. In my editing workflow I'm used to use the same effects, and it's so frustrating when I can't remember their names, so I decided to make this process a lot easier. In order to do this, you go to the Effects panel, then you click in New Custom Bin, you can change its name to maybe Favorites, then you just need to go to the Effects, you push them or you drag them to the Favorites folder, and now every time I forget the name of the effect, I just go to the folder and I will have it right here. So imagine that you want to add a video between these two clips. So instead of moving everything to the right and then add the clip, you can just grab the clip, you will click Ctrl or Command in a Mac, and now you just need to release the video and it's done just like that. Almost all of my videos have the same export settings, so instead of changing the settings on each one, I just prepare the first one and I save it as a new preset. In this case I'm gonna name it YouTube Full HD and I click in OK. The next time that I need to export some video, I just go to the presets and I click in this one. So So if you want to keep editing while exporting, then you just need to go to File, to Export, Media, then instead of clicking in Export, you will click in Queue. Like you can see, the video will be exported in Media Encoder. You just need to click on it and click in this green triangle, then you can keep editing. Premiere even allows you to create your custom thumbnail. All you need to do is go to the panel program, then you click in the plus, you go to the export frame, you drag it to this panel, you click OK, then you prepare your thumbnail and you click in here in the export frame. You give it a name, maybe thumbnail underscore video, then you change it to JPEG. You can also change the location, and then you just need to click OK. And that's the video, guys. I hope that all of these tips have helped and improved your editing workflow. If you have any problem, just leave a comment and I will do my best to help you. Stay good, guys.